Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.
VentureForest.com.
Good day, everybody. So this is what happens when the house is closed for a number of years in Portugal. The winters here are heavy in the sense of rain. So let me turn the camera for you guys to check this out. This side of the house is clean in the sense the windows and that. That's gonna be next. That whole area.
Hold on a minute. A minute.
Você não ouça que isso é mau pirê.
Oh, é?
É nós entre homens, é alguma minete. Isso é em português, é uma martice, vá. E então, nós quando andamos num alemão, falamos coisas alemãs. Se andarmos num francês também, é para brincar. Já todos a gritar. Foi primeiro todo para baixo. Todo para baixo primeiro. Todo.
You know, if you're doing this yourself, it'd be taking forever. And it probably wouldn't be as clean. Because you would have to go purchase the power wash and he has experience. So he already knows once you're through. Yeah, he took out the windows. Did you take this one out yet or no? Aren't you glad you hired a cleaning crew?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah,
I would be spending my
Yeah.
vacation just cleaning the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's doing a good job so far.
He's doing a beautiful job. He takes out the windows, he cleans them.
Yeah.
And the blinds also.
Yeah.
He did doors. He
Yeah.
did the ceiling.
Yeah, sim, é bastante disso.
Ele limpou ali por cima.
Yeah. So if you guys want to know, it's hot. It's warm today, right? 80s. 80s. It's in the 80s. It's nice and warm.